Welcome to Cooking with the Delks, where the food is delicious, simple, and affordable. I'm Belle, and this evening we're having beer brats and sweet chipotle cabbage. Let's cut up the cabbage and then we'll go out to the griddle.
What's up, Griddle fam? Big Wes out here at the Griddle. We're going to prepare some beer brats and some sweet chipotle cabbage. So let's get our oil down and get the meat on. Alright, so we've got all 4 burners going right now at low heat. These brats, we want them to cook low and slow. And we're going to go ahead here in a minute. We got a lot of cabbage and get it on too. So like I said, these are beer brats, and what's kind of surprising is that they have the same carb content as the regular brats, so we figured we'd go with the extra flavor. So we've got them cooking low and slow. This is a great summer meal. It's quick, doesn't dirty up a lot of dishes, and it doesn't heat the kitchen up because we're cooking outside, so we're really looking forward to it. So what we're going to do now is put a little more oil down and then get the cabbage on so Belle can season it. Look at that. That's a lot of cabbage. It will cook down though, and Belle's going to season it. This is, again, one of our favorite side dishes, but this is the first time we've ever tried making it out here on the griddle, so I hope it turns out real well. That's a whole head of cabbage right there. I'm going to go ahead and give the brats a flip here. They're starting to brown up. These aren't the ones that are cooked all the way through, so they're going to take a little extra time. Like I said, we've got them on low and slow. Let them cook up real nice. Look at that, getting a nice sear on them. Now, next up, we'll go ahead and season the cabbage, and we can start giving it a flip so everything will get browned up real nice. We're going to start off with some extra oil. Next up is some salt. It takes a lot of salt for cabbage. It's one of those vegetables that kind of soaks it up. Next up, we got our chipotle seasoning. Again, this is a whole head of cabbage, so it takes quite a bit of seasoning. And then finally, for the ingredient, some Splenda to help make it sweet and complement the chipotle flavor. About a tablespoon will work for what we've got here. So let's go ahead and give this a flip. Start getting some of the seasoning all mixed in there. Oh, look at that. It's already starting to smell amazing. Love cooking out here on the griddle. Love the smell. Let's go ahead and move some of these brats around a little bit. Want to make sure that not any one side gets well done. We got to sort of cook them all the way through. I want to make sure every side gets a good sear, and then we'll start making sure they're cooked uniformly. Listen to that cabbage sizzle. Everything's looking and smelling amazing. We've had a beautiful day here, and we couldn't wait to get out to the griddle and make dinner and film this video for you all. Cooking on the griddle is becoming one of our favorite ways to prepare dinner. What's one of your favorite dishes to prepare out on the griddle? Leave us a comment below and let us know. We're always looking for new ideas, so be sure to comment and let us know. Okay, let's give the cabbage a flip. Look at that, already starting to brown up, already starting to cook down, soak up all that good seasoning Belle put on them. Looking amazing and smells delicious. Go ahead and give the cabbage another little flip. Again, just help work that seasoning through. Get all of it nice and browned up. Like I said, give the cabbage a nice flip. Get the seasoning mixed around even more. Let everything start to brown up. Notice how this is cooking down. These brats. Got to kind of rotate them and hold them. Make sure all the sides are getting seared. All the heat's working through. Look at that. These are looking really good. I think Belle said that these brats, even though they're beer brats, I think she said each brat had 4 grams of carbs, so that's not really bad. Get the cabbage spread out a little bit. Okay, let's give it a flip. So we're tending to the brats, just trying to make sure all the meat gets good contact with the griddle. So these brats are coming along real nicely, getting nice and browned up. Let's give the cabbage here. Look how it's cooked down. This is an entire head of cabbage we've got here. Cooking way down. Look how it's absorbed that chipotle seasoning, and that sweetness from the Splenda will complement that flavor nicely. Let's go ahead and get this cabbage off. It's looking nice. Just checking these brats. They're getting real browned up. Probably be ready to come off in just a little bit. Want to make sure though that they're good and done all the way through. Look at that. It smells amazing out here. Just trying to make sure the brats, just as much as the meat as possible, contacts the griddle surface. Just get that heat spread all the way through them. Look at that. Look at the sear on this meat. These are going to be delicious. Look at the sear on these. Just looking delicious. Just about ready to get off and enjoy. So we got the brats cooking. Cut one just to check if they were done all the way through. He needed just a little bit more time, but we're just about ready to take these bad boys into the house and get down to business. I must say that it smells divine. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be alerted when we upload new videos.